KiddyTunes.
Let's clean up, come along. Tidy spaces make us strong. Toys were scattered on the floor. A child put them in the box once more. Crayons rolled beside the chair. A little girl placed them back with care. Books were open on the bed. A boy stacked them neatly instead. Shoes were left beside the door. A child lined them up on the floor. Snack wrappers lay in the park. A girl used the bin before it got dark. Pillows fell down from the chair. A child set them back with care. Clothes were scattered here and there. A child folded them with loving care. Blocks were spread across the mat. A child filled the basket after that. The table had crumbs after the treat. A girl wiped it nice and neat.
Look how organized everything is.
We finally finished! It's so shiny!
Now the room is clean and bright. Good habits make our world feel right.
KiddyTunes, goodbye.